Hi, I am Bire Vellema. Welcome to this video where I'm going to talk about ITIL Foundation. Not as a complete training, but as an addition to the study you are doing or have already completed. I intend to give you some extra information helping you to complete your certification for the ITIL 4 Foundation exam. A lot of the material I used in this video do come from the PeopleCert website and their learner documentation. A quick history of ITIL. ITIL was developed by the UK government during the 80s in response to government and private sector creating their own IT management processes. The first version was published in 1989, followed in 2000 with version 2, which included improvements and expansions. Additional topics were added like problem management, incident management, security management, etc. Version 3 was released in 2007. It emphasized the service lifecycle approach, comprising 5 core publications, being service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. Also, the concept of the service value system was introduced, emphasizing value co-creation. The latest evolution, version 4, was launched in February. Modern practices including Agile, DevOps, and Lean. The focus is on end-to-end delivery, emphasizing collaboration, flexibility, and adaptability. ITIL 4 introduces the service value chain, which integrates activities across the service value system. The ITIL learning path. The module, which is a prerequisite for all other modules, is the foundation module. This also holds a lot of information, knowledge that is referred to in all other modules. To me, if you want to go down the ITIL path, to spend sufficient time on the ITIL foundation. It is like a house. It all starts with a solid foundation. Part of the certification process is that you will have to complete an exam for every module. I will talk a bit more about that in the next slide, specifically for the ITIL Foundation certification. There are 3 major designations that you can follow. Depending on job requirements or your aspirations, you can choose one of the following paths: Practice Manager, Managing Professional, and Strategic Leader. If you complete all 3 designations, you become an ITIL Master. For Practice Manager, there are 15 modules of which you need to complete any 5 of those modules. However, you also can choose to go for the available packages being Monitor, Support and Fulfill, Plan, Implement and Control, Collaborate, Assure and Improve. Bit dependent on your role, you can choose one of these which is closest to your day-to-day work or in line with what you might want to do in the future. You do, however, have to complete the Create, Deliver and Support certification to become Practice Manager. For Managing Professional and Strategic Leader, you need to complete the Direct, Plan and Improve certification, one I personally like a lot completing. There are also 4 additional extension modules available, not leading to a specific destination, but these are a further addition to the framework. ITIL 4 certifications have been recognized by Forbes as being among the top 10 certificates to have on your resume in 2024. This certificate is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their resume, increase their marketability, and potentially boost their salary. What do you all need to know to pass the exam successfully? In the next videos I will cover the specific sections from the syllabus on the items which I'm going to cover in those videos. The syllabus has either been shared as part of your training or you can Google it for it to get a copy. The main topics you must understand are the following. Understand the key concept of service value management. Understand how the ITIL guiding principles can help an organization adopt and adapt to service management. Understand the 4 dimensions of service management. Understand the purpose and components of the ITIL service value system. Understand the activities of the service value chain and how they interconnect. Describe the interconnected nature of the service value chain and how this supports value streams. Know the purpose and key terms of 15 ITIL practices. Understand and explain 7 ITIL practices in detail. A bit busy slide, I do realize that. Not going to talk about this slide in real detail. Just a quick overview of all the 34 practices that ITIL 4 gives us. It is split up in 3 major areas. the general management practices, the service management practices, and the technical management practices. For the bold marked practices, you need to understand the purpose. And for the bold and underlined practices, you need to understand the practice in detail. You can also find this information back in the syllabus which you received as part of your training, or you can quickly Google it and download it from the various places on the web. What do you need to do to pass the exam successfully? The exam contains 40 questions, of which you need to get 26 questions correct. The questions are Bloom's Level 1 and 2, meaning Bloom's Level 1 questions you need to recall information about the ITIL 4 Service Management Framework. For Bloom's Level 2 questions you need to show understanding of these concepts. You got 60 minutes to complete the exam. If you are not from a native English country or not natively speak English, you get 15% extra time. It is a closed book exam, hence no books or other paperwork allowed. It is a proctored exam. You need to have a laptop with webcam to be able to complete the exams. There is an option to simulate taking the exam, which I really strongly advise to become familiar with the interface to make sure everything works as it should. Throughout the exam, there is a proctor available to assist you in case of issues. We reached the end of this video. If you like this video, please do not hesitate to leave a comment and I'll like the video. Similarly, if you do not like it, do let me know. Why do you not like it? It will allow me to improve it in the future. I hope this video is helping you down your ITIL 4 foundation path. Thank you for watching my video. Please do check out my other videos on ITIL 4.